portrait mode ensures that your content captures the entire screen, offering a more immersive experience. Let's start with the why. Short form video content isn't just a trend, it's a marketing powerhouse. Stats show that tweets with videos see 10 times more engagement, and Instagram Reels reach can skyrocket up to 892% for accounts with fewer followers compared to images. But it's not just about reach, it's about deep, meaningful engagement and connection. 51% of people are likelier to share video content, making it a perfect tool for word of mouth marketing. And when 66% of customers rely on brand videos to make buying decisions, you know it's essential and should be a part of your content strategy. In short, if you're not creating short videos, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to connect, engage, and convert your audience. So, where can these videos make the biggest impact? Everywhere. Most people think of Instagram and TikTok first when you think short form content or short form video content. But you can use short videos at all the places like YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, LinkedIn, and that little known and forgotten place, Pinterest. The beauty of short video content is its versatility. It's perfect for quick tutorials, behind the scenes glimpses, or showcasing your products. And with 90% of YouTube visits from mobile devices, creating content in portrait mode ensures that you're reaching the vast mobile first audience. Now, let's talk about creating this content with StreamYard's portrait feature. It's a game changer. And here's how simple it is to use. Once you're in StreamYard, all you have to do is click on the settings, general, and you'll see that there is a portrait mode or landscape mode here. You want to make sure you click portrait mode. It's a brand new feature inside of StreamYard. Once you click, you are set for vertical streaming, meaning you can go live or you can simply record the content. This turns your studio output into a vertical video, perfect for platforms like Instagram. Optim- Let's talk about optimizing your graphics. In portrait mode, think about uploading graphics and videos that are tailored to like a 9:16 format. StreamYard makes it super easy for us to manage these assets. In fact, you can even create a separate brand folder within StreamYard to keep all of your 9:16 assets organized. So it's super easy to just click and integrate those visual assets. When streaming in portrait mode, your viewers' comments, banners, and tickers that normally roll across the bottom are going to appear at the top of your video rather than the bottom. This is going to ensure that they're visible even if your audience watches from an app like Instagram. Plus, all the layouts are optimized for portrait streaming. And yes, you can even share your screen in portrait mode. Woohoo, right? Perfect for those tutorial style videos where you're doing a show and tell. This feature is available on all StreamYard plans, making it accessible whether you're just starting out or if you're a seasoned pro. Remember, embracing the portrait format is about adapting to where your audience is and, more importantly, what type of content they are consuming. Hint, hint, short video content. With these simple steps, StreamYard helps you create content that's optimized for today's mobile first world. And that is super powerful. So now that you're armed with the technical know how, let's move on to making your content stand out with branding and customization. Now that you know how to set up your StreamYard in portrait mode, let's talk branding for a few minutes. Remember that your content is not just about what you say, but how it visually represents you and your brand. With StreamYard's portrait mode, you get the power to customize with ease. And that is one of the things that I love about StreamYard. It gives you the tools that you need to visually represent your brand without having to be a techie or a graphic designer. If you want to, you can use custom overlays and backgrounds, and this is where you can let your brand's personality truly shine. Adding overlays and backgrounds that showcase your brand's aesthetic, incorporate your signature colors, logos, and any graphic elements that really define your brand identity is truly valuable. And the ease that StreamYard's platform allows you to do this is, like I say, super easy. This is true even if you're not a design guru. You don't have to be these days. Tools like Canva create drool-worthy content without massive designer skills. You can create professional overlays and backgrounds that are tailor-made for the 9:16 portrait format. And the best part is that it's super easy to simply drag and drop, making it simple to get that polished professional look without being a graphic designer. And then all you have to do is integrate those, import those, upload them, and that's a better way of saying it, into your StreamYard account. And with a click of a button, those things are showcased in your video. And your StreamYard videos can now align seamlessly with your overall online presence. The visuals that you create will not only enhance your live streams or your videos overall, but also resonate across other platforms where your short form content lives, like Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts. Remember, in today's digital world, your brand's visual impact is as crucial as your message. With StreamYard's customization features, you're going to be equipped to create content that's not only informative, but also visually captivating and true to your brand. Now, I want to close out with a few things that you absolutely need to know. With StreamYard's portrait mode, you want to keep in mind that you're going to need to decide your orientation before going live. There's no midstream switches. You can't switch from portrait to landscape in midstream. And while local recordings aren't currently supported in portrait mode, live streaming is still where the real magic happens. This feature is all about capturing the moment and engaging with your audience in real time. So there you have it, your complete guide to creating impactful short form video content with StreamYard. It's time to take your content creation to the next level and truly connect with your audience. So if you're ready to give it a shot, head over to kimgarst.com/StreamYard and start experimenting. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on how to create authority content in today's digital world. Until next time, keep creating, keep engaging, and most importantly, keep being real.